All right. And if you guys don't like your logo, I told you I'd make you one on Hatchful. I'm also going to show you how to come in and make it yourself. So you can go through here and a couple clicks, it'll take you through a logo generator, or you can pick one of these templates. I personally think this template looks really nice. You guys can go through, but we'll go this way. So, what type of business are you in? You guys would fall under home and garden, old, creative, and industrial. Natural, actually. Let's take that off. Strong. Strong is good. Okay. And the reason I use this program is this is the program I used. That's how I got my first logo. I still use it. I'm kind of having a hard time wanting to change it. I've kind of grown attached to it. Uh, at this time, this is just gives you a bunch of little templates, and you kind of modify it. It's how you see fit. The only thing I didn't really like about this program is you can't select the colors. They give you this like set of colors, and you kind of just have to hope that you see the one that you like. Because it's free. This is a free logo generator. So it's, one of the get what you pay for kind of things. There's a lot of guys online who build like really, really nice logos, $35, $50 for extremely professional looking logos with animated characters and things of that nature. I've been thinking about getting one for my business, but haven't yet. And not really seeing a color I like. Let's go back. I don't have the patience to kind of go through that. So I think I saw the color I like here. I do. See? So now we can go into here and just kind of change it to something. You get a limited amount of objects too. Wix also has a program just like this, actually even more intricate. It's pretty easy to use. There's a button in your dashboard say create logo, but it's $50 to get all of the different sizes and formats. I guess $25 for one format. So that's something you guys could look into too. I mean, because I personally use this for my logo. Um, I've got it on billboards in town now. When I first started, just kind of doing this and trying to make the business work. Um, I've kind of built it up since then. Pick something that relates to your business. That's kind of cool. I do better looking at it like this. That looks better. So everything we just went through is all the options. This is the best one in my opinion. I like that color. Let's go to the fonts. Yeah, see, there's not like a huge, selection of fonts. And it's the same process of going down and down. Uh, it's like one of the downfalls of it. I'm kind of trying to see some of that slant in the T or that raise in the S. Slant in the T or raise in the S. At least has the slant in the T. It's kind of funky. Too soft. If you guys decide to go in here and play with it yourself, this is basically the process. But like I said, it's free, and what they give you on the other end is amazing. Boom. I like this one. It's just simple. It's nice, and yeah, I like this. This is the one I'm going to go with. Icons, colors. See, the only thing you really custom do is the name. Oh, and this too. Kind of look through their options. I like the one line. Nice, and yeah, that's how you want to have. I think because your work has some art to it. You know that preciseness. So I like that line. Boom, and just give you the option to download it. You have to get it sent to an email. Well, I used to get it sent to that one. Look at this one. So while you're doing more internet stuff, I advise setting up some kind of email to get this kind of stuff sent to outside of your business one. Sweet. Oh yeah, save it. But let me download from here. You should never do that. That might be a new feature. That would be so cool if it lets you download from here. No, well, yeah, it's going to go to your email. So I've downloaded these a few times. It always goes to my email. Sometimes it takes a little while. That is the only thing I would say about the program. I don't think they come like instantly to your email. Yeah, see, they're not here yet. Honestly, it might take like 10 or 15 minutes to get there. But it's free. And that is kind of important with this kind of stuff, especially in the beginning. Why pay for a logo that you might change up, once you get more involved? You could. It's not a lot of people start off that way. There it is. It made it. So it just took a little while. When it gets here, download it off of this link. Now we'll come in. And this is why I like it so much. I'll show you guys. And if I click it, it's a zip file in the beginning. Copy. I'm going to give you this file, obviously, while I'm going through all these steps. Uh, Scroll through the menu. Here is your logo. Like I said, I told you I'd give you one. Here it is. Hope you like it. Cool thing about it is that when we get it through Hatchful, it gives us the logo in like 20 different sizes. And even tells you what it fits in. So it'll fit in your business Facebook, fit for your favorite com, which is these little items here. LinkedIn, a regular logo, a transparent logo, Pinterest, and so forth. So look at the logo. Let it load. While we're doing this, there we go. So instead of even worrying about that loading, let's just go here. And it'll give us all sizes that we could use it for, which is just nice to have ready to go. So logo and transparent logo. So this is on that tannish background, and this will go on any background. Here we go. Lost stuff running. So this is the regular logo, and then that's a transparent logo. So if you put this on a black background, it would be cool. Let's go back here. Start getting out some of this stuff. Making my computer run slow. I have 3 monitors I work on, so this is just the monitor you're seeing is one of 3. I used to work. That was your About Us page or whatever. I had to flip your picture around. Use Canva for a lot of my photo editing. There we go. So right in here, we're going to replace this one. You still have it, so if you guys like it, keep it. Do whatever you like. You got 2 logos. I'm just going to create a folder for you. Logo, RCM. You use it for your business cards, flyers, whatever you want to use it for. Where are they? Logo. Boom. And you also have them here in your cloud on Wix, so you won't ever lose them. Favorite cons are always blurry like that. They're kind of small. I stopped using those as my favorite cons. I started actually just using pictures. I feel like they still come in blurry on this tiny stuff. I didn't like it. Word to the wise. So just wanted to kind of show you the difference real quick. So here's your logo. Let's use the transparent logo. Let's pull it down here for a second so we can mess around with it. Double click like that. That'll allow us to crop the images and fit it properly. I hope you guys are getting some useful information out of this video. It does take me longer to make a video than just to do it. So as you can see, now you have both options. And if you don't like the logo, feel free to go into Hatchful and play around with it yourself. You saw that the options were very limited though. So this is what I could do with that. These are the logos that I offer people when they say they don't have a logo. And just to reiterate, also I got my own logo when I started. That's where I got this, that favicon and every other copy of it. Same exact program. And here you go. Put that down a little bit. Instead of this. So you guys can play around with it if you don't like it. Like I said, just feel free to change it up. Make it a little bigger, I think. It's like some kind of measurement board. I'm not sure why it's here. I don't want to play around with it too much. Just one of those little rulers they give you. And with any kind of website practice, it's always it's recommended by Google to make your logo also link to the homepage of your website. So that's what people are used to using. And in the future, once we get actually no, it's not. It's not. Nice phone number. Pretty good. But the header's too big now. Go back to the size we had it. Come on, come on, everybody. Getting too used to this and talking to the computer like that. There you go. Nice. Now that looks pretty good. Let's get that ruler in your logo's face. Pretty good. Maybe a little to the left. I like that S lining up. Oh yeah, I like it. All right, cool. So you guys also know how to change it if you don't like it. I think it looks great, especially for a free logo. Or I was freaking out when I first started my business. I didn't know nothing about a logo. Everybody wanted to charge me for one. I didn't even know what I wanted. Get out over here. That's good. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to call. Talk to you guys soon. I found these videos useful.